Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a last day on Earth hack. So this is free coins. You can see my money right there, and you have all the modded features. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. I've been seeing a lot of weird videos on YouTube, a lot of scams, and it's time for me to show you the real way to get the last day on Earth hack. So it's on this site right here. So just come to this site and type in last day on Earth, and it should come up. There's the mod, so we're going to press on it, and then before it downloads, you may see something that tells you got to download missing files, right? So you're probably like, well, what are missing files? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to download those. It's pretty easy, so we're just going to give it a second to load up, and then we should be all set. So they're basically just apps from the App Store that you have to download to finish the Last Day on Earth mod installation. So let's just wait for its download. So as you can see, it says missing files. So there's going to be all these apps you got to download. So just do 2 of them. You can see right there, complete 2. So this one, Travel Town, says reach level 10. So you just press on it, press continue. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store. But I'm going to download the app, reach level 10. Then we got, Merge Gardens, you got to reach level 9. You got PDF Reader, which is down, install, stay on the app for 20 minutes. So whatever you want to do, guys, do it. Complete 2 of them. Then the Last Day on Earth mod should download. So be sure to try it out, guys. This is fully working for all devices in 2025. Free money on your game. And then all these settings, one-hit kill, God mode, unlimited everything, rateability, durability, speed hack. This is the best Last Day on Earth hack for 2025. It still works to this day. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.